Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. I am all ready and set to unbox and review another gorgeous looking flower wall. You guessed it, from where? From rosemorning.com. You guys, I highly suggest going to their website and checking their variety of flower walls, flower arches, and so on and so on. You'll be mesmerized and blown away by the beauty of every single wall and every single piece that they have on their website. If you would like to purchase anything, or if you would love this wall after I review and unbox it for you, you can always use my code ANA10 for 10% off at checkout. Alrighty guys, let's go. Let's dig into these boxes and let's set up this gorgeous wall. By the way, this wall is named Alyssa. First things first, let's take care of my hair. Let's do this. Let's go. Before we unbox this wall, I really want to mention that for flower walls like these, just because they are heavy, you need to use heavy duty frame, pipe and drape frame. As you can see, I have really nice and heavy big bases and really nice pipes to hold that weight of the wall on those pipes. So I will link a link for my frame in the description under this video. All I can say is my frame does not adjust on vertical pipes. It only adjusts horizontally. So you can make it smaller or bigger. Goes up to 10 feet wide. So let's grab our scissors. Let's cut into it. Right from the start, we can see that this wall has some instructions of how to assemble the wall, what to do with it for easier understanding of these panels. Also, we have some flowers in the back, extra flowers that can replace anything missing or something that will get lost in the process of you using the wall. This will replace those flowers. These panels right now, they literally look like sushi rolls right now. It's so funny. Maybe I'm hungry for sushi. To connect these panels, it's not going to take a long time. I absolutely love what Rose Morning did with their panels by adding a zipper. So you just zip it up all the way and they are connected. When I first reviewed their walls, I remember they had these tying strips and that's about it, and it would take a lot longer. With zippers, it takes no time. You just have to be careful when connecting the zippers not to zip in the flowers, and that's about it. And look how easy it slides. Absolutely perfect. To hang my wall, I will be using these pockets that Rose Morning created in the panels of the flower wall. As you can see, it's a pretty wide and versatile pocket. Why am I saying versatile? In a sense of thicker and thinner size pipe will fit through the pocket. So this is great. When unrolling your panels from the box, you can already tell which side of the panel will be the top of the wall or which one's going to be the bottom of the wall, because the top will have these pockets. Let's feed my pipe through the pockets and let's reveal the beauty of this wall. This part I present my husband. Hello. I can't do this alone. You can, but it's gonna be extremely difficult. I've done this before. I hung the walls by myself, but I was sweating bullets afterwards. Yeah, don't do it. You can hurt your back, you can hurt your knees and arms and wrists as well. I've done that before. So make sure you have someone with you to do this, to make your life a little bit easier. So let's install this. After hanging our wall, we have some casualties here and there. It's not a big deal. Most of the flowers are tiny flowers, but this is how the wall looks after it's been hung. It's absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love the blue and pink colors. It's going to be a perfect wall for gender reveal parties. And you guys, as I said, this wall was just hung out of the box. I didn't work on it. I didn't work with the flowers to fluff them up and make them look presentable. So now I'm going to be taking either my steamer or hair dryer and I'm going to be going over all of the flowers. I'm going to fluff the wall up and I'm going to make this wall look exactly how it needs to look, presentable and beautiful. To fix my flowers, squished flowers, I will be using a hair dryer. I am putting it on the hottest setting and simply heating up the flowers. Once they are warm, I am kind of squishing them and giving them their previous shape back. Sometimes some of the flowers you don't even need to squish after heating them up, they just open up themselves. And since these flowers are wired, I am fluffing them up because they are squished. Is how the wall looks with me working on it with my hair dryer. It looks so much fluffier, so much nicer and prettier for sure. During the install, I didn't tell you that after the wall was hung on my pipes, I did tie my wall on sides on both sides. Why I did that? Because these ribbons will secure your wall on your frame and it will flatten your wall because it will pull from both sides and you won't see that wave in the wall. Now let's pick balloons.